What's up, gang? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GRT for email, but specifically, we've already crafted our email. Now we want to generate our email, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do for WYSIWYG type, okay? For the WYSIWYG type of emails. You got 3 WYSIWYG partial and full HTML. In this video, I'm going to cover WYSIWYG HTML output, which you will use in Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or any other regular email inbox, okay? Let's dig in. So here in the editor, I've crafted a little sample email that we're gonna use for testing here. And all I'm gonna do, just go down to generate my email, gonna use the WYSIWYG format because we're gonna send an email from Gmail. So we're gonna go ahead and click generate. It shows you what the email is expected to look like inside Gmail, and you just click the copy email button. We're going to go over to Gmail. We're going to open the composer. All we have to do is click in the active area of the email and paste it. Boom. It will paste all of these styles in the email. The great thing is, like Gmail gives you some options for styles down here, but these are a joke compared to what you can do with GRT for email. With the Google stuff, the Gmail stuff, you cannot do something like this blue call out box. You cannot create a button like this. Having this little sub headline with the spacing and everything, you're not going to be able to do all that little nuanced stuff. But you certainly can do that with GRT for email. Okay, and so when you're ready to send your email, you paste it in there, you think it looks good, just hit send, you're good to go, and your recipient will see this nicely formatted email.